Welcome students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is fractions. Okay. Now all of you studied in earlier class, that is fractions. Okay. Means if a chapati is there, then it's half chapati, and 1/4 part of the chapati is called a quarter. In 3 parts of the chapati, it's called 3/4. Okay. Yeah. Now we will, in this chapter, now we will see the equivalent fractions. Now here the example is given: 1 upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 4 is equals to 3 upon 6. They are called the equivalent fractions. How? Okay, so let's see. For this, see what is given here: 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 6. Okay, now if I divide both the this 2 upon 4 by 2, I know is 2 is coming, 2 and 4 both are coming in two tables, then 2 ones are 2 and 4 divided by 2, then we will get here 2. Okay, in the similar way we know that 3 and 6 are coming in the table of 9. So if we divide it by 3, then what we will get? 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Now here you can see this is 1 upon 2. Okay, this is a one fraction, and after dividing by 2 to the fraction, that is 2 upon 4, we will get the same fraction, that is 1 upon 2. And if we divide numerator and denominator of 3 upon 6 by 3, then we will get 1 upon 2. Means these are, that's why this is called the equivalent fractions. Means 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 6. Okay, now let's start with the new concept, that is, see here what is given here: when numerator and denominator of fractions are multiplied by the same non-zero numbers. If we multiply by the same non-zero numbers, then we will get a fraction that is equivalent to the given fractions. Means suppose if I multiply this 1 upon 2 by this numerator and denominator, what is given here? Numerator and denominator by 4. Then what we will get? That is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Means 4 upon 8 is equivalent to 1 upon 2, is equivalent to 3 upon 6, is equivalent to 2 upon 4. This is the meaning of this statement. Okay, now see the second statement. If the numerator and denominator have the common divisor, then the fraction we will get on dividing them by that divisor is called equivalent to the given fraction. Now we have just now we solved that we have divided 2 upon 4 by 2 by the same divisor. Okay, that is 2. Then here we are getting 1 upon 2, and in the similar way 3 upon 6 is divided by 3. Okay, in both the numerator and denominator, means it is a common divisor, 3. Then here I am getting the answer, that is 1 upon 2. Okay, now the second statement is also clear. Now we will start the practice problem set 17. Okay, now here just see the question. Write the proper number in the box. What is given here? Write the proper number in the box. See the first question of problem set 17. The first one, what is given here? 1 upon 2 is equals to 20, and you have to write one number on this box. Okay, now what is given here? In between there is given as equal to sign. Means 1 upon 2 is equals to this box upon 20. Means here if I multiply it by 10, then here we will get 20. 2 tens are 20. If we are multiplying 10 on the denominator, then we have to multiply the same number, that is a 10, on the numerator. Clear? Now see here, that is 1 upon 2. For getting number 20, we have to multiply it by 10, and the same number we will multiply to the numerator. Okay, now the answer we will get after the multiplication, that is 10 ones are 10 and 10 twos are 20. Okay, then what will come in this box, that is 10. Okay, all of you understood this. Now see the next sum, the second one, that is 3 upon 4 is equals to 15 upon dash. Okay, now to get number 15 on the numerator, okay, we have to multiply 3 by any such number so that we will get 15. All of you know to 3 ka table, just read is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. Now so that if we multiply 5 into 3, then we will get 15. Then if I am multiplying 5 on the numerator, the same number I have to multiply on the denominator. Okay, now 5 threes are 15 and 4 fives are 20. Now the fraction you will get after multiplying 5 on numerator and denominator, that is 20. Clear? Now see the next sum, that is a third one. What is that? The third question, that is 9 upon 11 is equals to 18 upon dash. Okay, just read the table of 9 till you will get 18. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, means we have to multiply 9 by 2. Okay, then first we will write like this, then 9 twos are, then we have to multiply 2 on denominator also, then here we will get, that is 9 twos are 18 and 11 twos are 22. Okay, in the similar way we have to solve the remaining sum. Now see here, this 4th and 5th are your homework. Now see the 6th one. 6th one, what is that? Okay, now here what is given here? 4 upon 6. Okay, now we have to see, means we have to divide from greater number in the previous sum. From smaller number we have to find the greater number so that we are multiplying. Okay, see here also from 2 to 20, that's so that from we will multiply. Now, here also in 3 5s are 15, once we have to make 3 to 15. Okay, now we have to make the greater number, that is 6 to 3. We have to make 6 to 3, that means we have to divide it. Okay, then which number should I divide so that I will get here 3. Then again you read the table of 3, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, so that if I am divided by 2, then here I will get 3. Clear? See here, if I divide it by 2, then here I will get, that is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. If I dividing it by 2 and the denominator, then the same number, that is 2, we will divide it by in the numerator. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then here we will get the answer, that is 2. Clear? Now see one more sum, that is the 7th sum. What is that? 1 upon bracket is equals to 4 upon 20. Okay, now we have to make 4 into 1. Means if I multiply 1 in if I divide 4 divided by 4, then we will get here 1. Okay, so that see here 4 upon 20, like this we will write here, and we will divide it by 4. Okay, so that we will get here 1. Then the same number, that is 420, will be divided by 4. Okay, then 20 divided by 4, that is 4 5s are 20. Then here we will get the answer, that is 5. Clear? Now in the similar way solve this 8th one. Means this 4, 5 and 8 are your homework. Okay, now see the second sum. What is that? Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each of the following fractions. Means here are the 6 fractions are given, right? You have to make the denominator 18 equal to 18. Okay, so let's see that. The second question. The first one is 1 upon 2. Keep in your mind, we have to make the denominator equal to 18. Okay, then first, then what number I will multiply here so that we will get 18. So just read the table, that is 2 9s are 18. Okay, and then if you are multiplying on the denominator 9, then you have to multiply in the numerator also. Then 9 1s are 9. Okay, then this is your first fraction. Now similarly see the second one, that is 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. Again you have to make the denominator equal to 18. Okay, then read the table of 3, that is 3 6 are 18. Then the same number, that is 6, will be multiplied in the numerator. Then 6 2s are 12. Clear? Then here for this we will write here 1 upon 2 is equals to 9 upon 18 and 2 upon 3 is equals to 12 upon 18. Clear? Now see the third one. Third one, that is 4 upon 6. 4 upon 6. Okay, now to make 4 upon 6 is equals to 18, we have to multiply 6 3s are 18. The same number 3 will be multiplied in the numerator. So 4 3s are 12. Means 4 upon 6 is equivalent to 12 upon 18. Clear? Now see fourth one. The fourth one is 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9. We have to make denominator equals to 18. Okay, then 9 2s are 18. Then multiply same number 2 to the numerator. Then 2 2s are 4. Then here we will write 2 upon 9 is equals to 4 upon 18. Clear? Now these two are your homework. Okay, now see the third one. Here you have to make an equivalent fraction with denominator 5. Okay, here and for each of the following in the similar way. Now here what is given here? 15, 25, 30, 10 and 35. Means bigger number is given. You have to make the denominator 5. Means you have to divide numerator and denominator by such number. Okay, so let's see the third one. The first question is 6 upon 15. You have to make it 5. Okay, then we will read the table of 5. That is 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 50. That means if I divide 15 by 3, then we will get your answer 5. then the same number, that is 3, will be divided in the numerator. Then 6 divided by 3, that is 3 2s are 6. Clear? Then this is your answer for third ka first one. Now see the second one. Here we will write the answer, that is 6 upon 15 is equals to 2 upon 5. Okay. Now see the next one, that is 10 upon 25. Okay. Now we have to make the denominator equal to 5. Okay. So we will read the table of 5, that is 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. That means if I divide it by 5, then we will get here 5. Okay, then same number we will divide it by 5. Then 5 2s are 10. Then that means 10 divided by 5 is 2. Then your answer is 10 upon 25 is equals to 2 upon 5. Clear? Now see the third one, that is 12 upon 30. 12 upon 30. Similarly, we have to make denominator 5. Then if I read the table of 5, that is 5 6 are 30. Means if I divide it by 6, then here I will get the answer, that is 5. The same number is 6 will be divided in the numerator. Then 6 2s are 12. Then your answer is 2 upon 5. Then here we will write 12 upon 30 is equals to 2 upon 5. Okay. Now this 2, the last 2 are your homework. Okay. Now see the fourth one. From the fraction given below, pair of the equivalent fraction. Here you have to find out which are the pair of equivalent fractions. Okay. Now see here, 2 upon 3. Okay. Now 2 upon 3 will be equivalent to, okay, it can't be equivalent to 7 because 7 is not coming in the table of 3. Okay. Now 11 is also not coming on the table of 3. Then it will be both are not. Okay. Then 7 upon 9. Okay. 9, if I multiply 3 3s are 9, then here we will get 9. Okay. But 7 is not coming in the 2 table, right? 2's table. So this will also not equivalent. Now we will move to the next one, 18 and 3. If I multiply 3 into 6, then here we will get 18. Okay. Means the same number. See here, 2 upon 3. If I multiply it by 6, then here I will get, that is 18. Means the same number will multiply with 2 also. Then 6 2s are 12. Then the numerator should be 12. But here the numerator is 14. Means it is also not equivalent. This is also not, because it is 15 and 2. 15 is not coming in the table of 2. Okay. Now we will move to the next one, that is 2 upon 3. This one, and the next fraction is 18 upon 27. Means if I multiply 3 9s are 27 and 2 9s are 18. Means 2 upon 3 is equivalent to 18 upon 27. Okay. Now 10 upon 14. 14 is not coming in the table of 3. Now take the next pair, that is 5 7. Now see here, this one, there is 5 upon 7 and 10 upon 14. See here, 5 upon 7 and 10 upon 14. If I multiply it by 2, that is 7 2s are 14 and 5 2s are 10. Means 5 upon 7 is equivalent to 10 upon 14. This is the first pair. This is the second pair. Okay. Now the next one, that is 5 upon 11 and 15 upon 33. 5 upon 11 and 15 upon 33. If I multiply, that is 11 into 3, that is 33, and 5 into 3, that is 15. Okay, then 5 upon 11 and 15 upon 3, 33 is the third pair. Okay, now see the next one. 7 upon 9 and 14 upon 18. 7 upon 9 and 14 upon 18. 7 2s are 14 and 9 2s are 18. Okay, that means 7 upon 9 and 14 upon 18 is the fourth pair. Okay, now these are the four pair. Okay, now see the fifth one. Find two equivalent fractions for each of the following. Means here you have to write two equivalent fractions for each of the following, that you have to find out. This is your homework, because you can multiply it by 2. Okay, then if I multiply here, that is 7 upon 9, the first one, you can multiply it by 2. If you are multiplying by 2, then you have to multiply on the numerator and denominator both. Okay, then here we will get 14 upon 18. This is the first one. Then next you multiply it by 3. Then here you will get 21 upon 27, like that. Okay, these two pairs are. Now for 4 and 5, the similarly, one time multiply with 2, second time multiply with 3. Okay, here also first time multiply with 2 and second time multiply with 3. Okay, clear? Now with this our practice set 17 is over. Now in the next video we will see the like fractions. Okay.